Here we are back in my kitchen for another unboxing of some brand new Ellowyne dolls from the Virtual Doll Convention. The challenge about doing unboxing videos is finding the perfect balance between facts about the dolls and showing their individual aesthetic appeal. In previous unboxing videos, we've talked about the history of Ellowyne and when she actually arrived on the doll scene, her resurgence through the Virtual Doll Convention, her different body measurements, size of her wig, and also recommended footwear. Since her collaborative release between Robert Tonner and Rachel Hoffman at the Virtual Doll Convention, we've already had the opportunity to see many beautiful dolls hit the scene. In today's unboxing, we're to meet Ellowyne and Neema's grandmothers, Gwendolyn and Zee. In addition to the grandmothers, we'll also have an opportunity to get a quick look at the new first run of the Ellowyne and Neema Inset eye dolls. Let's go ahead and get this box open. Since we have two different styles of dolls being unboxed in the same video, I think we'll start with the Inset eye, Neema and Ellowyne, and then move on to our grandmothers. I remember back in the day when my husband and I used to attend the Tonner conventions in person, the first time that I ever saw a doll with inset eyes, it was put in by an individual creator, I believe whose name was Jim Dandy. The inset eyes were a huge hit with collectors, and in 2009, Robert Tonner put out the two-wigged basic doll, I believe, which was an Ellowyne essential that also came with the first removable wig. With that quick backstory, let's fast forward to now and see what the new Ellowyne and Neema with inset eyes looks like. If you've seen Ellowyne unboxings before, then you'll know that there's some consistent product quality details that are included with each wild doll. Every Ellowyne comes in her signature unique style box with tiny illustrations with different fashions on the outside. On the inside of the box, we're guaranteed to see some beautiful tissue paper, also with a similar design. We'll see the doll carefully and meticulously strapped to the inside of the box for traveling safely through shipping. In addition, there will be a telescoping doll stand with a clear base to help your doll strike a pose in all her great fashions. Two other signature items you can look forward to are a poem card with a short story about the individual doll and a beautiful wrist tag that will also display Ellowyne's name. With our basic expectations set, let's go ahead and see the uniqueness of each individual doll, starting with Ellowyne. One of the first things that stands out to me when opening the Ellowyne is her beautiful red hair. I absolutely love a doll with red hair. The next thing you notice right away is the gorgeous ice blue eyes. She has a beautiful pale pink lip as well as some soft rosy cheeks and is wearing that really cute outfit, which consists of a crop top, 3/4 length sleeves, a pair of white shorts, and also included in the box is a pair of sandals as well as what I believe to be a head wrap. We'll get those items out of the box and onto the doll to get the complete look. Next, we'll move on to the beautiful Neema. Neema's ensemble includes a crop length t-shirt with 3/4 length sleeves and a bright pink color, paired with a pair of cotton shorts with a snap closure in the back. Also included in the box is a scarf that can be used around the neck or around the head, and a pair of really cute brown sandals that will get placed on the doll to get the full effect. Upon first look, you can see that she has a really pretty rose-colored lipstick and then really interesting light brown, almost ochre eyes. One of the coolest things about this new doll, however, is she is wearing a removable wig, adding lots of versatility and fun to different outfits she might choose to wear going forward. This was a really fun opportunity to see these new Warm Days Ellowyne Neema dolls with inset eyes up close. Do keep in mind when you get inset eyes, you get dolls with a whole new personality and attitude not available in your basic painted doll. If you are interested in adding either of these to your collection, please list it in the comment section below which one appeals to you the most. From here, we'll leave our inset eye dolls and move on to those beautiful grandmothers. We're back for day 2 of the doll unboxing, and today we'll focus our attention on the beautiful grandmothers, Gwendolyn and Zee. Let's go ahead and get those boxes open and get those close-up looks. These 2 boxes contain new editions of both dolls called Beach Blanket Basics. As you can see on further inspection of our beautiful grandmother Zee, she has an adorable face palette. It's very pale and soft. She has a really angelic and cherubic face, a little bit fullness to her cheeks, which I absolutely love. She comes in a 2-piece gingham outfit, which is super cute, with a little halter top and bow at the front, as well as a pleated skirt. At the bottom of her beautiful long brown legs, you see these really super cute sandals with a couple of straps that go over the top of her foot. These are really sturdy shoes and extremely easy to put on. I know that's important to a lot of collectors. So now that we have a chance to see how gorgeous our Zee doll is, let's check out her companion grandmother, Gwendolyn. With Gwendolyn out of the box, we can observe that she has just a slightly different makeup palette, which includes more of a peachy mauve tone to her lips, as well as a very bright cheek and some gorgeous blue eyes. This is a very corny thing to say, but opening this doll made me feel like I was seeing a friend for the first time. Gwendolyn is wearing the same fashion that we saw on Zee, but in this case in a blue and white check with that same pleated skirt, which I think is adorable, and the same pair of shoes, but in this case the shoes at the insole have the blue to match her outfit. As you can imagine, unboxing new dolls that are being released through the VDC is an absolute honor and always a pleasure. My takeaway from this release is you have the opportunity to select from 4 extremely different and beautiful dolls. Whether you're more inclined to add a new sculpt with the beautiful Zee and Gwendolyn grandmother dolls, or more interested in adding some intensity and different vibe with those Inset eye dolls, you just can't go wrong no matter what you pick. Each doll in this collection offers one of my favorite features, which is a removable wig. This gives you the opportunity to easily switch up your doll's look based on her mood or her latest fashion. Each one of these beautiful dolls goes on sale through the virtual doll convention on April 5th. The retail price is $195 per doll, and some of them are limited edition, so if you have your heart set on one of these beauties, I recommend you go and put her in the cart first. In anticipation of this new release of Gwendolyn Zee, I have made the Good Vibrations pattern available for the Ellowyne style body. I'll attach a few pictures at the end of the video to show you just how groovy these girls are. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.